In the winter of 1911, a passenger train left Rome bound for Milan and vanished. Witnesses saw it depart, 106 souls aboard, coal burning, steam rising. The convoy never arrived. Days passed. Search teams scoured tunnels and valleys. No wreckage, no bodies, no metal. Farmers near Lombardy whispered of screams echoing from a mountain pass, a sound that carried for hours, then died into silence. Records mention a black fog rolling over the tracks, swallowing the carriages whole. In 1926, 30 miles from where it vanished, workers digging a hillside uncovered 3 rusted carriages sealed inside solid rock, doors twisted open from the inside. No bones, no luggage, only claw marks on the walls and passenger logs still damp with ink. The railway company buried the report, claiming landslide. Yet, in 1955, a monastery in Mexico documented a group of strangers in old Italian dress, disoriented, speaking of a train, a tunnel, and a fog. When pressed for proof, the monk swore the travelers dissolved into smoke before dawn. Official archives end there. But the track where the train entered still exists, a tunnel bricked shut with faint echoes of steel wheels ringing inside.